Fifth problem, show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Now here also take LHS. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to, take LCM, cos theta, upper 1 minus cos square theta, that equal to 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta by cos theta. This sin square theta split into two parts, sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, that equal to sin theta by cos theta into remaining part is sin theta. Sin theta by cos theta since tan theta into sin theta. This is the RHS. This is the LHS. This is the hence proved. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Simultaneously, sixth problem, secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. How to write? Secant A, always you write into the simple terms. That meaning secant A 1 by cos A 1 minus, this is already in terms of sin, so don't change. Secant A 1 by cos A tan A, all terms you write into the sin and cos. Now 1 by cos A 1 minus sin A into, take LCM, cos A upper 1 plus sin A. Now here not there anything means 1, denominators multiply, cos A into 1 into cos A, that meaning 1 by cos square A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. How to write? A plus B into A minus B, that meaning 1 minus sin square A. So 1 by cos square A into 1 minus sin square A. How to write? Cos square A. Cos square A, cos square A get cancelled. Answer will be 1. So after the simplification, you get that result is 1. Now, seventh problem. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. Here you observe that sin, cosecant, cos and secant terms can be changed into the tan and cot. So you go into the identities. That meaning take LHS whole square plus LHS, you take it, you expand it, A plus B whole square, sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A cosecant A plus, this is expansion, plus 2 cos A secant A. Here sin square A plus cos square A, right into the one side. Next, cosecant square A plus secant square A, right into the one bracket. Bracket is not mandatory, or understood purpose you can take into the brackets. Sin A cosecant A get cancelled, cos A secant A get cancelled. So here 2, balance will be 4. Trigonometric first identity, sin square A plus cos square A, 1 plus cosecant square A change into the cot terms. How to write? 1 plus cot square A plus secant square A, 1 plus tan square A, here 4, here you write. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4, that meaning 7 plus remaining terms, tan square A plus cot square A. This is the RHS. Now Eighth problem. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. If you look like it is in the a minus b into a plus b, how to write? 1 minus cos square theta, you take into the trigonometric identity. 1 plus cot square theta means cosecant square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Both get cancelled because sin square theta and cosecant square theta are the reciprocals. Both get cancelled. Answer will be 1. Now, ninth problem and 10th problems are both are the same model. That's why I am going into the directly 10th problem. This model is very important in future also. That meaning cosecant square theta plus cot theta equal to k. This is the given cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Now you know the trigonometric identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This one you write into the form of cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Already cosecant theta plus cot theta value how much given? K. So this one how to will write there means k into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1. That meaning cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to this k transfer into the other side, then 1 by k. It is equation 1 you take, this one you take into the equation 2. Here very simplest method I explain. You bifurcate into the two parts. Then cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. Down also you write equation number 2. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Same two steps you write right hand side also. That meaning cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Now one time add it, one time subtract it. Adding meaning is plus cot theta minus cot theta get cancelled. Cosecant theta 2 cosecant theta equal to k plus 1 by k. Now 2 cosecant theta equal to k into k square plus 1 by k. Now cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Same process you apply into the right hand side also, but small change. What is the change then? Here you are adding. In this case you subtract. Subtraction symbols change. Then cosecant theta minus cosecant theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta equal to k minus 1 by k. 2 cot theta, you observe it, same steps you get. 2 cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by k. Cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. This is equation number 3 you take. Now this is you take into the fourth equation. Now 4 by 3 you do. That meaning cot theta by cosecant theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k whole divided by k square plus 1 by 2k. 2k get cancelled. Cot theta, how to write? Cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 by sin theta. Right hand side k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Sin theta cancel. Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the hence proved. Number of times you observe this video and you practice it, you get a good result in the public examinations. Thank you.